Stand up. And I see you. Where you can, you share. After this music, we just dive away to wait we'll get up the presentation. We'll get up today, very powerful presentation. We've got a very powerful presentation here. We win big time. Our friend Meta Boy, I see you all the way from Momo. The Momo people getting up with the jubilates. We don't hit them. Okay. Man, no waste time. We get plenty things that we talk. Me music no carry we. I don't see. Yeah, time talk. I say we have prayer requests after this, but plenty. You just need to follow me. Now follow. Just click like. You follow me because I don't exceed number of people the way supposed to accept at least 5,000. You get for at least 5,000 people. You know if you get more than that, so you only need to follow me for now. Except some people I go reduce some people the way they be dumb man, they be active for my profile, so I don't exceed that. But if you follow me, now follow. Just click like to follow me so that anytime I come live, you will watch me. If you comment, if you share my program. Once more, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonian, una good evening wherever una dey in the Kingdom of Belgium. Here is probably 6 p.m. and same time with Ground Zero Ambazonia time. Yes. Before I want to start the show, I want first of all thank the Almighty God, where He don't take all we the Ambazonian citizens home and abroad in the prison of Konenge, refugees wherever una dey, the people of Sierra Leone or Equatorial Guinea, wherever una dey. We want to thank the Almighty God for taking us across the bad year, the 2020, where it will be a very bad year. We crossed the 2000 and enter 2021. We want to thank God Almighty for giving us the life we will still live today for testify and for fight for our freedom. I want to salute our brave fighters where they did for Ground Zero and our civilians population where they did for Ground Zero where they join our fighters for fight this fight. We cannot say without our population for Ground Zero, our fighters they not be able to win this fight. So we must ever appreciate our civilians and we give them kudos and we tell them say me they continue for the protect our fighters because our fighters they will protect them and them too they will protect our fighters. Without them, our fighters they know they and without our fighters them too know they. So all we get to work in harmony, in collaboration between our civilians and our fighters. And our fighters don't see for the short period of time where our civilians they be angry with them, they be vexed with them. When I see the casualties over the get them, but as of now, our fighters they don't come to understand. They say without the civilians, the fight no fit go nowhere. So I want to thank the civilians, especially for giving the fighters enough intelligence, for supporting the fighters, for giving the food, shelters, and everything. We una place there, yes, but sure we ever appreciate the fighters. We not leave una behind. Una place there. All una there for Ground Zero where una support the cause. We see una action, but una no fit talk una voice. Me una voice be heard because La Republique they find all way for trap una. We see una work. We see how determined una be. Una work. You know we go in vain. So the fight now a collective fight for all man. Not fight for some particular group of people. Now we go start. We just start the show today for the last issue for the agenda because the main issue here now the issue the way happy for Momo and the way forward and waiting we think and elaborate on, una go hear more cry and una go testify what we don't talk for here ever since. We get plenty things the way it happened for Momo, and we not only that, we get for learn how the revolution it get for take. Plenty things that don't happen for the incident for Momo. It will teach a lot of we where we fight sense. It will teach a lot of we what to do. So we will take that one for the last topic when people don't be some quite number. But now I want to give an advice. If the advice you will not throw away the advice take me. I talk about activists because when we talk to activists, they'll go out there. It's just say me I become for show. He say this, I say this or that. Me for one, I not be a proud person for my life. I not ever be a proud person, and I not ever be a proud person till I die. Yes, me I always like to live a humble life and live a life where it be average life. I even like my life. I don't like for live life where me they look me for up. I ever like to live life for the common man. Me I like for common man because I like this. I say common man in life is sweet. Pass when they keep us on level. Yes, where you want work at the point finger saying that man that you want she don't on place. It didn't say sometimes why she don't on place. The area where they you know be conducive for the people for the area where they you know be conducive for the people around you. They think say me you watch don't for high class. They think so no me I not like my kind of life. I like a very simple life where I want the worker and the low class. I want for down. Very simple. And they can't like that way they enjoy because when you talk with the common man for street. You talk with the common man for quarter. You learn plenty things there. Irrespective of the fact, say if you study or you go book or you do this, but when you start your survey, you start deal with the common man, you will learn plenty things. Now, my advice to the activists: we don't successfully pass 2020, enter 2021. It was a success to all the activists. And I appreciate all the work for all the activists, Mr. Nancho Plovis, Zale Plovis, Paul Nilong, Prince Jeka, UN, Kemi Ashu, Stateless, Ghana Mofi, Wizzy, Napoleon, all a host of others. Where I not mention that name. I want to tell when I say 21 gun salute, we don't do a marvelous job. No man of it deny the fact say activists for the revolution, they never do a marvelous job. We did do a marvelous job for educate our people, for expose any corruption and embezzlement where some people they for this revolution they want to take upon ourselves. Now, but one thing they were activists, like an activist where they protect the government or independent activists, because normally independent activists, you be an independent body where you not get some person where it sponsor you, you not get some person where now the back you. All we will be independent activists. If you are the can life, and if the can life, and I say that some man tell me say can life, I decide when for can life, I decide my investigation. When I decide my investigation, I not go give Comrade Chris and say me editor for me my can life. I not give no some man because none of they pay me. No money they pay me, now voluntary something. So I no man no give a change your style of doing it. And no man no get to tell you what to do. But we just need for advice and caution ourselves the way we go, because this part the fact say we be activists, we get to know say activists. Yes, we be activists of the revolution. We not be activists where we don't the nation don't be big, where anything will talk outside there. If he tarnish the reputation of the country will stand. But we be activists of the revolution. Where anything will talk outside, where if it tarnishes the image of the revolution, it draw what for them behind instead of we for go further. Any activist where you take up yourself to be a very proud activist, or you need to listen to the other activists, or you think that only you want to be above the other activists. My brothers and sisters, we did now for 2021 we rethink. Activists, you get the right, they so right for go for any county. When county they get meeting, they invite you, the activists, or you go inside that meeting, you go will be a keen listener to that meeting. Will be a keen listener, Then if you get anything for talk at the tail end, they will ask you, like activists, you get anything for talk, you talk like a neutral person, because and there's so reason why they invite activists for most of these counties and LGS meeting, because they want me the activists here for a year, because they know say we the activists will be one of the transparent bodies when it come to this revolution. Most activists now one of the transparent bodies when it comes to this revolution, because we the talk that the one will see them, we need to talk that say we hear say. So when they invite you, when they invite you like activists for some forum, what you going to do now say, when you be a king listener, at the tail end, when some person will embrace you, some person will do wrong. Now you will be the first person for can talk for the population what way it did, because we with the mouthpiece of the voiceless people, they don't fit talk. Some cheer people and they be very good. Some cheer leaders and therefore inside LG they be very good and a very good leader. But some people take upon themselves for hijack the cheer people, because it go for back the lobby, one or two people, me they can support the ideology for step the chairman down or this. But when you come the activists, you listen and then you see what started the population the way and then you talk. In the past meeting, we don't see some activists where they can behave very poorly for a meeting. They behave very poor for some meetings, and then they get a sentimental attachment to some people, and then they try to disrupt. But it will be very shocking, because no matter the work of the activists, you know, be the sole person decide for LGA. No. This part of the fact say we get a platform where we talk, people listening, people die to our ideology, wait till they talk. Where they get a platform where you talk, people listening for wait till they talk. They don't like na you, they like na your ideology. People they don't like na you, because that way they sound like your ideology. Then you think say if you use their ideology for manipulate people. Now so every time before. We not quite remember say every time when you become up, people all man be like the ideology, all man be support the ideology. But that you can't take upon himself. You can't take upon himself say as if he get more views, people they like it, they comment, like, share this. He thinks that if he one now the activist, if he be the leader of the revolution. But when ambassador people be saying no, we be like their ideology. But that way you start take your ideology now for go different way. Ambassador people they be make a U-turn. That's why ambassador people make a U-turn. Oui. So any activist where you think say you be above God or you be above whosoever for the revolution, no man no dey way big party revolution. This revolution be bigger past all man. This revolution be bigger past all man. So when you come for the revolution as activists, you submit to the people, you listen to the people. Nothing say as an activist, any man get right for do whatsoever. But now, when you want to talk for some place like activists, talk reason why if it will benefit the revolution. And you want to tell ambassador people, they say, "Mu no build monsters. Mu no build monsters. Mu no build people the way tomorrow. We start fight again like how we fight every tattoo. We start fight again. That one you know correct for me. So now my advice that and any LGS cheers, any this when I be see when I can live, when I used to can live, I can talk about Momo County. And even I be looking very keenly, when I watch me very keenly, when I be talk about Momo County, I be specify Moamo LGA. Because of it, I belong to Moamo LGA. I pay draft for Moamo LGA. When I talk of Meme County, when I see I specify for Kumba LGA, because of it, I belong to Kumba LGA. And I draft for Kumba LGA. So if I draft for the two LGA, at times when we go for meeting, I need to talk for meeting that time like activists. I talk that time like a normal member, a normal floor member. I talk that time like a number floor member. And when it comes to Mowamo LGA, no activists, no day where he will kick against what we are talk. A part of the activists where they inside like Wizzy, Napoleon, Ghana. Now we then that the activists of the Mowamo LGA where we did inside, and all we when I see where we come when I talk Ghana movie, it can't confirm. When I talk Napoleon, Naga he must confirm. When I talk Wizzy, it confirm. Now they work in that or activists. We speak one voice. We talk one voice and we talk the truth the way to it did. When it come from Meme, when I talk for inside Meme County, Paul Lilong, he go confirm. Now we too, or the spokesman, the man of analysis, Mr. Fritz, he go come, he confirm. Now the three people in that way, the days at Meme County way, when they talk like activists. But you let me come, I don't come over here, I go for Menchum. I hear say the chairman for Menchum, you do it, then me I go for Menchum. Like because say I be activist, I get a platform, then the government can decide, the internet government decide, because complaints don't go for government say some person don't do this, some person don't do this. The government decide for do what you do. Then me I call the activist, I object the government. No. Activists, you know, your place, activist place, no mean I forgot George case. I want to tell you something. When Mowamo LGA, before it be structure, the way it be now, before draft, before we hijack, now activists, then we take Mowamo LGA live for the play where they now so where it been at the highest LGA, where it reached the highest fund. Now we, Ghana Mofi, Wizzy, Napoleon. Now we will stand there. Now we hide. Now we take our season. We'll be season because we'll be one transparency. And from the day one till the last day of draft, now we will chair all the meetings, where they be hold on. Now actively they be giving the right. The people will give the right, say that they don't fail. Me with youth, they take them. We take and I may chair all the meetings. But now, when it become to tell them constitute everything, we will be activists. We will not be leaders. We will leave them for their hand. They cannot do everything. When it become to time for election and everything, we don't give all for critical team. When the internet government become say they want to do election, they do this. We like activists will not be get a say. I want to take some fact here very clear. When the internet government decides, say they don't elect the critical team, the Mowamo people they decide, they form the resolution council. We the activists will not become a Facebook. We got kick against. Say that because we will do this. No, we will not be the act of the government. We will be the mouthpiece of the people. If they do something will be wrong, we will let the people they know. Activists in place, not like you for kick against the internet government. We get place away we talk about the internet government. We kick against the internet government. We give opinion and we fight for that opinion. Me the internet government see into our opinion. Because we too will get a saying, even though we activists, we get a saying for tell the internet government say this thing they go wrong. We will propose saying that so how all the activists we join Prince Jeka and all the like will propose say the security department for the internet government is weak, and we propose say the man of Ngokutunja and the man of Manu Willie. Now the people in that will think say me the internet government dismiss the other people, why not dismiss on how bring the other people because we see their action. So activists will propose, we need to impose. Activists not impose. So now just a foot of thought that when I talk, I say take me to my talk. But I just advise away. I want just give for activists so that we know we are all lean. Any man get a lean for this revolution. Any man get a lean for this revolution. Yeah, any man get a lean for this revolution. When me and the talk for some play like when I hear Fako County, and whenever you hear me I come and you talk about Fako County, I don't run my mouth anyhow for Fako County. Because I don't say Prinjeka Dede. Prinjeka Dede for Fako. Anytime Prinjeka will talk for live show for Fako, me I know Kaka kick against. Why? Prinjeka Dede I eat draft for Fako, eat for Fako, and an activist. And I activate it be loyalty to the internal government. All man know he talk the truth. So when he talk anything for Fako, even me I go investigate anything. Even me I go investigate anything for Fako. I know if come for life way, I never talk with Prinjeka. Say now this thing happen. Me explain now. So we be very shocked when we see some scenario way happen, but that one it don't pass. Now just advice that way. Our advice activists say we no make ourselves, me ambassador people, they be frustrated because where some of we where they believe in we, and then we go out there we say our portray another character. Ambassador people now they be frustrated. They be frustrated for who for believe in again, because when you actively take it up yourself, you know one way with the majority, you start support people because of affiliation of waiting on a friend, on a waiting. We know the ambassador revolution not be friendship, not be family. Na ambassador revolution na a whole county, and it involve all man. You know if you take friendship, you support. And not be green say some chairman in Bezu for some LGA. They that chairman of my friend. I come, I be support you because you're my friend. That's that one. That me say I don't even know what I do. I don't even know what I do. I think I don't lost plenty friends for Belgium here. I don't lost plenty friends. I don't care because I the tongue and the truth. I the tongue and the truth. And very soon now they will start come back because they see the truth every day. They see how the internal government they work every day. Because me I take my own side for support the internal government. They not die to the ideology of internal government. We forget enmity. I say so be it. No man will defeat some man for Europe. Any man for Europe, you there for your own small bungalow, you there for your own small local, you there for your own small cabin, you share your own like you want. No man will ever pay somebody beef for one man country. When police catch you, no third party in the camp. So your life for one man country, now you want. So I don't think say some man influence some man, especially people with one man country. Now people for grand zero, if you give 100,000 for somebody influence he bring, but for one man country I don't think so, because if you give me 5,000 euros, that 5,000 euros go finish if you do anything. So now my advice way, I think my advice the activists. Now we go for reason why we the colonial mayor the C shop fellow ambassador after 2020, I think it been a December something, where we see the colonial mayor for Bamenda, he will placard, he go for market day, because if you be called capiage, the capiage will come. If you be called population, the population will come. If he go for market day, so that they will film him, show up the world, say ambassador people they don't denounce ghost town. But while people to be wise enough, we be know the mafia way, the mafia game way in the plan. The mafia game way in the plan. You know, in 2021, the whole town of Bamenda was being ghosted. That means the ghost town where Isiam, they say, since where the revolution start in ever Siam. First, before I go for the reasons why we see that shop, I want first of all thank our population on ground zero, both the northern and southern zone. See, the war now. Now say ambassador, some people they think say the war. Now diaspora they fight the war. I want to tell ambassador people, the war na ground zero they fight the war. Even I see noise where pop behind the talk say me they can catch diaspora people. Ground zero the fighting war 95% past diaspora. That one na fast clean. And if you go for the civilians they fight this war. The civilians they fight this war. Say all man for ground zero. See, all man for Ground Zero get that mentality for independence. If you see some man talk for Ground Zero, especially that Ngala people, Ngala people, but if you see man talk for Ground Zero, if you talk out of vex, but all man for Ground Zero get the mentality of freedom. All man of Ground Zero get that mentality for independence. See, our boys them, when I talk until here, clean and clear, our boys them, no stop ghost town. If the population decides, say me ghost town end, it will be very difficult and it will be another war to our boys them. But the population, the civilians, they want independence. And the ghost town is the only way that their own fight, the civilians that own fight, that will respect that ghost town for tell the international community say, not only Amba the fight, them to the fight for support the freedom. Yes, the population of Ground Zero, if fight their own fight, if they give signal every Monday, they give their own signal for international body say, not be only Amba fighter, we the civilians, we want that independence. We now see when the colonial government be asked that remedy, they say, now who be the killer? They say they don't know. When they be go for Chief Mukete in palace, when they say we now go stop ghost town, me they open a market, they say they no go stop them. We now see the signal, so more don't know for our brain and the fail regime for Yaoundé. Me it no say no be na only some few people when Galadera talk the other day will show. If they want kill me, they kill all we. For why the mentality of freedom we only get them, we only inculcate the freedom for our mind. Both Ground Zero and diaspora, it be very difficult for take a back for wipe them. They see, and as the war it increase, even some people when they know the thing, they decide they decide assimilate that ideology for freedom, and it will be very difficult for move on. We don't study. It enter your brain. It be very difficult for move on. It be very difficult. It like they go on outside. It be very difficult. So the mentality of the people, their brain, it no feel change. And it be very difficult. Well, I will for fight that kind of war. So I want to appreciate our population for Ground Zero. And I tell our fighters, they say, we not cooperate 100% with the civilians. We not cooperate 100% with the civilians. Me we not make ourselves, me even the money we not want time. We not some money we not organize them. Make it pass through the civilians. We not make a civilian get a civilian council around we way. Not them, we not get problem among ourselves. We not make a civilian they be involved. I want to tell fighter see, with the call people without the be willing. Well, we talk so we talk every day because people they call me every day. People they call me every day. Every day. They appreciate we. We not keep on with day. We not keep on with day. We not see every Christian way their life. Who they call? Na Ground Zero they call past diaspora. Na Ground Zero they call we show them for damn past diaspora. You will tell the determination way Ground Zero get them. And our fighters are supposed to be loyalty to the civilians. And this is what we will go to all the LGAs. We give some money to fighters. Any fighter will go against civilians, una arrest. Because we need to build that relationship with civilians. The highest thing for this war for win now, na civilians. We give a build some strong relationship. We give the civilians will come back in 2017. All man because enough is enough. But we don't start at the go gradually. So our thank our civilians. They are going for reasons why we. When I see the reason why this yellow man they like marry don't rob cream. When they marry don't rob cream, and then food they bush for our own. When I see he make so Atalaku for 2020 for stop ghost town. The reason why we do that thing, I want blame our restoration fighters and the LGHS. Not them. Now quote me anywhere. Our restoration fighters and the LGA chair, now they give that mayor the right for can use that language to stop ghost town. Now they give that mayor the audacity for can stand, proclaim they want to stop ghost town. When I see what will be happen for CDC, the general manager begged Amber Fighter for TV. He begged Amber Fighter now because of it. We stop CDC. It's our CDC the crumble for your eye. It's our CDC the wind out, the wind down for your eye, in the cry. Then why would you say mayor no fi ka beg? When I think say mayor for Bamenda no fi beg. Now because the restoration fighters and the chair people there will not be serious. Why? You know I mean say me somehow say be me do what mayor the waka with the military no the waka amoka but you think say me do what? When I say they want stop CDC. When the CDC want stop, they will go hold a general manager. No, they don't be hold general manager. And you see talk with you one again while listening. When CDC want stop, they don't be hold general manager. And you see talk the one, the mayor, all these mayor them. Now the restoration fighters and the LGHS now they give and one thing too now they delay the war. Because now know how much when city council the pay for government, they give money to government to buy weapon the kiwi. So I say but man land, what to be the way forward? The way forward be very easy. Our restoration fighters, all these LGA cheer, they don't tell me say they don't know who's a council or the state. When they go collect tax of main market. When I see them, when I never tell me no LGA chair. That one, if you talk, I disprove it. If tell me say if you want to investigate for no survey council this stay for upstation. Council the way they collect ticket, they need to stay for upstation. They need to stay for upstation or they need to stay for military barrack. When they can collect tax for markets, who they allow them? Yeah, they really work on military to collect tax. But military no go cast for your house. When you arrest a councillor for quarter, you take it go. You warn me. Say if he try next time, then if he friend a year, more no they go for soft target. More go for target way what will do am. It will affect the government. God, mayor, you want to go collect tax. Secondly, you don't be tell me say you don't know the man you can collect electricity bill. You don't know people the state. You don't be tell me say man you can collect electricity bill. You don't know people you say oh water bill. All these things they pay tax for government. Government use that tax. In kiwi. Our civilian the same. I want to tell our restoration fighters and the LGA chair. One thing they will not fit do and me, the whole ambassador of Brazil will jubilate. If we find way for make a me almighty say stop for pay tax for mayor or pay tax for council, our civilian will not be serious. More not only go for weak target. More go for target where what would do am? See, our people for Grand Zero, they observe ghost town. They observe ghost town. Wait till you are on payback, what we give them for now. We are on payback, what we give, we feel will give them. Now we say they sell for free. And we feel do am. Now why you not pass we? You not pass we. We never try. Better say try, you fail. Better say you try, you fail. When our whole council or the animal collect tax on market. Any man collect tax on market, any man link with council, in short, any man link with council, any site where it thinks say money fi comot, they arrest him. Now they wait for that. Any man link to council, When you take 1, 2, 3, no man, no dey die no get duplicate. Eh? Die no get duplicate. No man no dey don't ever die come back talk away die dey. Where some man want take your own life. Where you say our restoration forces, they don't arrest cancel them, all this, or tax collector them, all this. So never come, he come when I don't tell he don't come when I call fight and say that man they around. They don't take it go for questioning, send him back. So now some of the things that way we see. No be always Sodera if they give money for government. No be always CDC he give money for government. When they tell una money where this DOM, I mean this when a councillors or a council, if they give for government for 1 year, I don't believe for. Now when I see the government, they still breathe. They still get somewhere they still breathe air for ambassador. If you not talk money where council the give for government for 1 year, when I join over 4, when I say now what I government you see breathe. You see in Galadjera, he say na few because he be parliamentarian. Parliamentarian they link with the council. So he get to where the council they give. If you stop council, it be very easy. No go say we get time where we'll start attack the BBB building them. We see mobilize the camp. But most start from the ground. They say finger where they move for painting the heart. No over heart. You start you. Now you collect tax to market. If you pass to that market, the next time where we warn you. In a thing that will warn you again. Now different thing will warn you. And so their family know see a cops. When I say what so the LGHS, anybody watch me, we supposed to tell our LGHS, me they tell our fighters, say we going to stop economic sabotage. We going to go on the whole of Ambassador. 1 year, cities don't cry, they want council they cry. When I hear how much they defend them, council they defend them for budget. When I don't go for now billions, council for southern and northern zone, they defend billion. They defend billion. Council, they defend billion. They will show we leave them to get that money. Our population is suffer. Our civilians they suffer. We get means so if you be free, safe for free. If you pay a tenant fare for shop, that will be very normal. You pay a tenant fee for shop, but any shop where na government shop not pay the tenant fee. Except na individual or you pay. Like for main market, I don't think so some people they get tenant shop for main market by mender. You don't pay nothing. So our people we give for no say war no be biscuit, war no be clown. So the LGHS and all them, as I sending message, I will start fire una. Now, we going to stop African Nation Cup for Victoria. Intelligence, we don't gather around, but you don't find we share on Facebook because we don't discover say La Republic. They gather more of 90% of information to our Facebook. Intelligence, they will gather. So after this show, I will call the people for FACO, give the intelligence way we don't gather for ground zero as of this African Nation Cup. I want to talk for ambassador people na share them. Me go for na family there for ground zero. Say ambassador, we don't lost life plenty. We don't want any life loss or crossfire or explosive or this. Save your life for be for us during that period. Save your life for be for us. We don't talk again. It will happen, but we don't know when it will happen. So, and you don't know when it will happen. African Nation Cup has been banned. I would only send letters to all the parties where they be concerned.
Then they say we no go tolerate any African nation call for Ambazonian. We no tolerate anything and we'll be up to the tax. We don't get explosive then. Explosive the way they shatter, they destroy iron, they cut them piece by pieces. We get explosive the way they scatter human being, no see parts. We get that now. We get that. We get thing now. So me the world. We want show the signal for Momo. That one a signal. Now just signal. Where Garajera Kato say na few weti. Me it don't cover a mob now. So African Nation Cup have been banned. We know what anything African Nation Cup for Amazonian. We be ready to the tax. If we talk La Republic of Canada with a very heavy military guided this. Yeah, we know what will La Republic be capable of doing. But we warn our civilians say, we not be careful. We don't know the place where they feel pass. We don't know that the place where our boys will attack today. Now the place that we will not be very careful because we don't know the place where our boys will attack them. We don't know whether they feel left the military pass. Then the last group they attack them. So we get to be very vigilant. The war 2021. I don't want to tell Amazonian people again. 2021, the war, would be the one way we observe over the past years. Then the taste of war draft just starts. The taste of war draft just starts. I don't want to talk for the platform. Not just say Amazonian they get money now. We get money now to fight this war. And this year 2021, war draft is still come again. So I want to tell the people for La Republic say we know we surrender. Every day we contribute and every day we gather intelligence. Let me over we go that way for no fit. They no fit. And we gather intelligence say they don't employ more military for the area where that is there for Momo be happen. Yeah, that one don't end. We'll go to the state topic now for what will happen for Momo. Before I want that one. I will play some video here. When I go see.
Momo stepped on an improvised explosive device. The incident occurred at about 2 a.m. in Acha as the convoy returned from the installation of the divisional officers of Jikwa and Ngi. Ebenezer Akanga completes that story.
Among the 5 persons killed is one civilian, Rebecca Liwusi Jeme, who is the divisional delegate of communication for Momo. The 4 others are soldiers. They were killed when a vehicle in the convoy of the senior divisional officer for Momo stepped on an improvised explosive device some 15 kilometers from Bangui. The senior divisional officer was returning from Andek, where he went to install the divisional officer of the subdivision. 5 other persons were injured.
They fell into an ambush by a terrorist group using explosive that targeted one of their vehicles, and as a result of that, we recorded 5 persons dead, 4 soldiers and the divisional delegate.
The defense and security forces have deployed reinforcements in the area. The military has accused separatist fighters of planting the improvised explosive device.
Okay. Good. I want to follow that video. Then before we start talk for what will happen for Momo. Now if you remember when
CRTV, now CRTV talks where. Now who for you remember when CRTV broadcast anything concerning Amber? Who you ever remember? Now who you ever remember when CRTV talk anything concerning separatist fighter? They never ever. They never ever. But today, they don't broadcast alive. And they don't send our international world say war day ambassador separatist fighters. Yeah. Una hear two things. CRTV says separatist fighters. CRTV, he called the name separatist fighters. The colonial governor, he called say terrorists. Una hear CRTV, the national TV, he called we the separatist fighters. Then the other man, he called say terrorists. The first time CRTV broadcast say with the key military. So we don't kill military. First time they hide them, but this one they don't hide them. This one it pass hiding. This one because we don't do plenty, but enough is enough now. They don't hide this one. Now I want to tell you why they see this one. They talk this one. The reason why we see CRTV broadcasting one are the casualties and the level of destruction, the level of massive destruction we carry out. Now, why that way I be tell you say where to where in need for this war now? I beg all ambassadors, I PG need for the war. When I see only few people the way we hold them one time hostage, they cry. When I see they cry, and more cry they think for come because we get more sophisticated material, we get weapon them, and we don't need for 45. When I hear though, time you talk say when we hit away the war here say about 5 people sleep down one time. They go talk. I be telling you, say, time go their way. No, be now we need to send a message for the international world. I talk, I never stay. I talk, I never stay. I be telling you, say, time go their way. No be ambassador again. You go need for send a message for the world. Me no say what they go in on for ambassador. He don't stay, he never stay. They show sometime about, I think I said November where I made that show where we talk about RPG. He don't stay. Now this, now CRTV, they use them. Say the separatist fighters, say military, they accuse the separatist fighters, now the separatist fighters planted explosive. They not talk say military, talk say now terrorists. They fix the word, they blame the word so that me they find for our liking. Me no vex again because when they use that word with the vex. So fellow ambassador, what will happen for Momo County? In particular for between Jikwa for the state of Ngi. Fellow ambassador, they say they go for Andek. We know Andek for Ngi. We don't go there, we know and for that route. We know the route very well. Wait till we go for learn for this one. Now for send message for La Republic. Say we still there, our fighters they still there. We still there be determined to the tax pass this one. And this one it go for show warning for Fako. It go for show warning for Fako. We hear say Fako people they stubborn. We hear say Fako people they stubborn. Yeah, because Abameki they stubborn. But we careful now. We get package. We get package. We hold up for now. The military come away carry that young girl. That young girl when he serve at old man, the man with 90-something years. Now see how he lost life with his family, and more, and we will keep losing more. They will die plenty. See, when I hear say any casualties for our side, I want to ask Aboriginal people. We not get no casualties. We ambush, we go freely, and next time we'll still ambush another one, go freely. Gradually, I mean, see, this war will start for villages. This war, it will start for villages. Now, villages will attack. Now, it has come for town. The last battleground will be in our villages. Back. The war will have tonton go back inside village. We'll finish inside village. Una mark my word, we will have finished inside villages. Because now gorilla way for the fire. Well, there is a forest. Set our trap. The car will take them. The car will take them. I'll be very joy and very happy for see. Now the thing way we cry, we see cry, and we cry say, when we get material, because I tell you, I say our boys will be ready and set on the mass to the task at every level, where we provide them the necessary material they need for take up. Just imagine, say this one explode where you go plant them. Just imagine, say that boy will be whole RPG. Because some people will survive. Now motor they jam, some people will survive. Just imagine, say this boy them be whole RPG. That means say, oh man, all the entourage where we go for that scene. Over here now rest in peace the next morning time. Now rest in hell. Not even rest in peace. Rest in hell. The one rest in peace, they be do it for earth. Not that they be cause a killing for people. They rest in peace. Now rest in hell. Just imagine. So our fellow Ambazonian, fellow comrades of the revolution, the time don't reach where we will give us see how we will win the war, and we will act fast and we will act more, so that we will not support the kind of social media again can talk say our resistance forces don't do this. Me that the Republic help the international body for send the message to the international body. Let do what they do. We know how many people they watch CRTV for the war, for see the updates for Ambazonian revolution. CRTV don't send the international world a strong signal. You don't send the message. Say the message will probably pass up, not be clear message. War there for Ambazonian. So it's high time they can't solve. They go to the negotiation table. And at the negotiation table, it will solve this war. Because we'll be determined for fight even in the next how many years. God forbid bless Ambazonian affairs, because we not deal in Sudan the way that they are land and sand. And sand is soil. With the plan, you Mpoko, you just Mpoko for them. You don't need to me rainfall, it germinate. The next year, you can't move picking cocoa, you born a job. So we be determined to fight the war for the next how many decades. Well, I'll probably think so far, I will go bring them down. We just had to start. When they be see the other explosion the way our boys they used to do them, they be hide them, eh? They be hide them. That is all the explosions we see away. They put a buoy, they do them, the one for 7 Qatar, they do them, the Republic behind that, because that why you just hit Amoka and 1 or 2 person die inside. But this casualties, now because of that, this divisional delegate, now you make a Republic cry. Otherwise, you are Republic for hide them. Now because of the divisional delegate, where they don't feel contained, that for the way La Republic make the war, mean the war no say we don't kill 5 soldiers, we don't kill this. Now the message that way international body the 1 year. Now why independent, you know? Yes. Then we need to hear where international body hear this message as La Republic no, they just say yes. Now the thing that way the 1 year. Say those guys, those Ambazonians, they are determined to take their freedom. Now they message that. So me no mind had no court. International body like killing. See, no mind, who no mind as the authority say no to violence, this for behind. They tell una say una know what to do best. They not be tell una say una go kill. They tell una say una know what to do best in order to take una freedom. It means what? Now I took for a wise person that international body that they message you where they want for we. And the message we want to we saw our county coordinator, the chair, and the interior government. We see look una. We propose and we see proposing the interior government. When I look into security, security is weak. This act for Momo County, nominally, it come up with the intelligence from the LGAs. So I want to appreciate our fighters in Momo. On a day back from Abarak, on a plan another strategy, and the security department of FACO should work very smart for as I see this intelligence, because we need this thing them for start hala for FACO before Nation Cup. We no wait, me Nation Cup car before all this in the hala. And they beg the security department for FACO. So we need this thing them for study hot the town before that day. Before that day, we need FACO for study hot. We no go cut. They say cut your leave before Rensa 4. No wait me Rensa 4 before you cut your leave. We need all these things them for FACO. And the talk and I talk again. We need our FACO for stop the Nation Cup. So, as we see the Momo County, you don't work on. Only this one say no first send signal for that people the Nation Cup. So you don't see. I want to emphasize this thing. So now when you see the war now, you don't need back. No, that time for this war with back. You don't pass. The time of war, that time no pass. That time will be the eager. Will be that time we think say the war will end in the next 2 years. That time will be hot for AK go. AK follow you. Start back. The devil war front. The devil war front. This is hot. Now strategy and implementer is succeed. Now we fight the war. They have a Vienna and they be fight. Now we will fight the war. They have a Vienna and be fight. We now go here. Say le bi ale ko. We now here le bi ale again and when here say 7 Ekelebe slip destroyed successful. We now here say meme ko. We now here bam. Now here say bui ko. Now here bam because some people say plenty hot. We say war draft. Implementation they go down. We working there behind the scene. Work. See, I don't feel like me. I want freedom. I want this to me in a very short possible time. I beg work the go on the ground. Work. I want beg Amazonian people say they draft money. Work the go on the ground. If you only delay, but surely we not go see the results. If you only delay, I beg what people say. We not discourage. Some people say the world don't do. You don't do what. Work it go on the ground and with the promise La Republique say more to come, more days to come. They go hear from us. We tell them they will hear from us. We don't talk and say with the Bible we what? We organize our money. We not say watch revolution them. Now how many revolution there were? People don't can do phone racing online for fight war. We will raise our own online. La Republique hear the amount very well. They follow them. With the year they are even on the talk how they follow world drive very keenly. They know what we will be capable of doing. And next year we'll hear millions. We get millions. We get millions to sponsor the war to the high level. Yes. The implementation will go down, my brothers and sisters. We give to be resolute, we give to be wise. We know run our mob. We ask world draft. Because if you ask over some man rush, he go for trap. If you ask over some man run go for trap. But that one never still stop say we know one action. We want action. Because at the time I say work the goal. But we'll give for the action because if we want to talk to some people, say no, implementation the goal. We do not embezzle our money. They say implementation the goal. Any man, where they all any LGA, He know one way to go on. And yes, any man where they will any LG, he know the work way to go. And he told me about LG because we they will county by county, LG by LG. So if you are LG want me to go, ask your chairman. I don't want to talk again. Say all the money will want drive enter chair people that hit their hand. Instead, the internet government instead beg now will take it on share. All them, I hear people hear all this money for what draft don't enter the respective LGA. All. So we start ask, what did I do? What did I do? We ask questions I do because me I didn't leave my own chair. I didn't leave my security man with Momo and the rest. You know, they can update me. They can update me. What did I do? Now give me updates. Because I be worried. I be worried that all man they watch me. Now so I be worried. I need to be worried. Grand Zero be worried. I be disturbed. When it be for 1 week, I don't see action. I be worried. But I say I dey inside there. I see the implementation where I will be something for calm. So yeah. So now I tell Ambassador people say we be resolute. We are we be watch. Una be here say Momo. We even me. Not na me. I be catch up say Momo loco. Na me. I say Momo can't you quiet because you know I be worried. But I didn't have Mogamu. This one happened between Nangi and Bengi. LG today, yeah. They only went to bed. Now, when I don't see no. Because even me, I be tap Momoloko. You don't strike. You want strike. You want strike. Now see on TV and answer to the world. Now see on TV don't give the word because I never see me. Our Excellency Dr. Samuel Esakokan talk say Ambassador people won't do something or do this. I never see me Christian will never come for life. Can't talk say this. But who don't send the message for the international body? Now see how TV don't tell international body say war day for Ambassador. Now can't help you. That boy they will think they don't call. They don't come back again. The day the Sparta die but never surrender. So, fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, we give a big resistance. We respect the population for Ground Zero. Any LGA chairman, I talk again. Any LGA chairman, your first call when you call your fighter, you the asking and say, what relationship you get on the civilians around you? First. And the first thing that way they cheer people when they start to educate fighters first. Now will be loyalty under the people where they around you. Any fighter is go arrogant. Yes, they don't catch a man brutalize him. Yes, they don't do this. We be very careful. And you talk about the LGA them. Our first education. Our first education. Have you talked to where I call fighter? As I don't call you, I don't say how you say fight. I say na hire people. You say no, they fight. I tell you say, when I know say this war na civilian war na. He say, I say no. He say yes. I say when they come up for so place, the worker who they call na civilians. I say that people when I know we win the war where civilian know they. And if the civilian want to kill and they kill na 1-1 finish. I say no. I say yes. I say so. If civilian hurt you, you don't need for use the pretext say you get gun. You call people when I judge when I judge them, you need to judge and they say the soldier, they say they take side effects. If you want worry, you even fighter go bed down, kneel down with civilians. What fighters them? We're supposed to be mugu in front of civilians. Because of civilians, they don't want me vexy. You don't want to say me vexy. When people don't know where they get various character. So man, you don't want me vexy. They said too. But when you perform your good character around you want to say, but this man will be 80 so. This man be the way the man he behave. You just like now he now go like last fight. Time reveal his secret for you. It's like they say, boy, I be here too. If you not be here, I be here too. But I say that day. I be set some trap. If you be for that trap, sometimes if you confirm code, you go civilian will review all his secret for you. Then I will be a good friend. You know me say when man hurt you, And you talk of fighters. And he told civilians, fighters. Una they will beyond the Mugu. Now so with civilians. Una think say that motor be the pass to go for Andek. That convoy be pass go for Andek. Who tell our boys they say they come? Who tell the strategy? Who tell the period the day? Now diaspora, no diaspora. None of us fight and none of us give only loyalty to diaspora. Diaspora they contribute only yet good. But when I take advice plenty for ground zero. People they do for ground zero way, they drink for bar with military. Military they tell they want to talk, but they know you can't tell una because they fear una. And you fear will pass your corner. So plenty people in the way intelligent they get them, but they fear the fighter because una they make they swear, they fear una. Now bring people from a corner. Bring people from a corner. If they will give enough intelligence. Diaspora not give you intelligence. That one to be true. Diaspora not give you intelligence past ground zero. Even girls the way when they go to a club, they still military, they give you intelligence. But they be scared. So all the LGH here will take this one in consideration. The fighters on ground zero. See, better say you get 10 fighters. Where the population like them so they feel that way, population will die on their behalf. Than for go get 100 fighters with the scattered population will not go succeed. And I still bet again. Better we get small fighters because this war na guerrilla warfare. See, guerrilla warfare don't need plenty over fighter self. It don't need now technical people the way they be determined to fight the fight. Then we get a bunch when they scatter the whole place. And he talk this one, it be facts and clear. So our civilians population we get for embrace them to the highest. Embrace them to the highest. Because some people say, when I hear say black leg did this, when I don't catch a killer. And fighter, when I don't know say, before the war come to existence, problem be there. Between families, friends, another one. Before the war one start, people begin a various problems, land dispute, family issues. No use. People don't want to use this fight for setting their political cause, for setting their family problem, for setting their family dispute, land dispute this. We must stay away from that one. We must stay away from that one. When some man you call and say, I get to my brother, he do this, he take my land. Tell us that one that you need to fight now will take land. You need to fight now for restore your independence. It end there. Now settle my problem. If you not go that level, now get me go report for elderly people in that quarter. Why they call you? If you the elderly man, if you police, tell me call elderly people, me not judge. You don't be there tell the problem. Some people anyway, now elderly people they talk the truth. Now settle that their issue. Now go say fight. They will like una. They will like una. Now be say free Marshal. The other year he buy cow meat. He share them for village. Village they can share them. Only that meat. He chop that meat. Only that chop we chop them. You remember bat? You can't calculate it. Christmas day he give me 1 kilo meat. Then he go send me. Now only few people fit think otherwise. Now only few people fit think otherwise. Fighters in there. Farm in the way with the years say they take on this. When we not get money, we know say some fighters when they get money upon money, pass every diaspora. We not fit call the community. We not say we be sorry. We don't make them. We not don't bomb on heart them. We not there for this side. We not supply them even now 2 kilo rice. 2 kilo rice. Some fighters you know they live luxurious life. Pass we for diaspora. And then una civilian they see una they envy una. When my envy you will say you. Now, make a me partake inside that small cake. Say no, na money the way diaspora. They say na for we say mo buy something chop. Now money the way diaspora don't give us say mo buy bag rice. We don't buy them. Una take 1 kilo, 1 kilo, 1 kilo. Una take 1 kilo. You go see some love and joy where you go come around in the vicinity. You will see some love. See, some gift there when you give a person. He take that gift. He appreciate it if he say don't give them millions. Only 1 cup salt where you give some mommy for village. He said he go down, Makosa down, hold you, embrace you, that one I love. They tell me say some mama can talk about you. That mommy just kiki. He say no one do. You know want to hear that my picky way now. You can't give me that salt. You know want to hear. You know want to hear. Now they love that way. Fighters supposed to say shwam. And you talk fighters me the say go for fighters That's why they sell una money for feeding. They sell una money for Christmas. What you gonna do? 1 year say they don't sell una money for Christmas 500,000. Una go say 500,000. Una go share una. Oh, we don't say now una 5 years. They love. Una take 100,000 buy even a Maggie, just Maggie. Una call few people to say that's for I won't send me money much Christmas where we don't buy Maggie. Forget I say una partake inside of this thing. So that one na some good strategy that way for bring our people back. So I will end here by thanking everybody and say una stay blessed. The revolution they on track, 100% winning, no shaking. We La Republic make noise. We see. We don't see how we that them not also share our message for international world. So we bring brotherly love, especially for Ground Zero. And they beg any man they work for the defense. We bring brotherly love for Ground Zero. Where the query with the man for diaspora. No call fighter down say when the query. I beg we'll get what this people for diaspora. No call fighter tell you say this man. We preach love and unity for Ground Zero. Thank you very much for watching and stay blessed.